everybody, so today we're gonna make a video of my dog, the brown one, trying to get the keys. Ready?
So he's gonna I'm gonna try to take this away from him.
Look at him go. Now it's gonna be my turn.
He's tiring. She got it only because it's her dog. Isn't this funny? She wins! The cute! The cute! The cute! My turn! I got my energy back! I got it!
We win! Krabby, that was funny.
No, I'm not done with this dog.
Stay tuned, guys.
No! Don't say so bad, my friend! I'm getting that dog back!